Could be snow. Hey, snow. Okay, this is one of the Calicos. Just got through eating. There's another one there eating. And then this is Cat. Oops, try not to be so shaky. There's Cat. This is BC. This is Shadow. You go ahead, she's not even by you. Okay, let's see if I can find the others. Okay. This is, that's BriteEyes. Yeah, there's BriteEyes. One back there is Fattie. That's the little one. Just walked away, he's camera shy. And then this is Dumpster. Go ahead, Dumpster, you can keep eating. I was just filming. And this over here is Fido. He's a Maine Coon. He doesn't like wet food. He's a weird cat. They only get it once a week. And where'd Snow go? Snow? I think Snow took off. Okay. Oh, and Snow. Oh, watch it. You could have kept eating. And there's Snow over there. I was trying to get a picture of it before they all finished eating, but.
Get a picture.
So everybody's finished eating. No, get out of there. No. What did I just say? You don't get in the plants. You just go where you can't see them, of course. Just Fattie. Say hi, Fattie. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. She has breathing issues, but she's always had them ever since we got her. She was in with 13, 14, 20, whatever it was, other cats when the owner had died, and they were all in there for a couple of days. And it's funny because I wound up with one of them through one shelter, and then Casey, a friend of mine, she got one of them also, but from another different shelter. And it was just funny how, you know, two of us ended up with cats from the same, place. Oh, and this one here's climbing up, trying to bore the world. Yeah. And that's how you use the scratching tools, apparently. Yeah. It's less than milk for my cereal down there for her. Yeah, instead of calling her Snow, I should have called her Mouse. She makes mouse sounds. Alright, well, fade out. I think everybody else is done eating. There's Cat. Hi, Cat. Yeah. And I think everybody's done eating.
Yeah, I got 2 bowls full of food.
Well, I was not talking to you. I was talking to the world. Okay. And then I guess that's it then. Yeah. Yeah, Snow, the little one here. I think she's 8 weeks old. My girlfriend brought her over last weekend, I believe. That's the cat tree. Literally, you can see they shredded the carpet on it. Literally, that was a cat tree that I built out of a tree that blew down. And that's just part of the tree. I mean, obviously it's not, but I have to finish the bottom of it and put carpet around the bottom, and so they can lay on that. But anyway, yeah, I actually made a cat tree house out of a tree. All right, I guess that's it then.